YouTube, what's going on? It's Terminator on YT here, and boy, do I have some good news for you guys. As of August 27th, 2023, your boy is an official YouTube partner. Yes, an official YouTube partner. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about member exclusive perks, how to opt in to receive these gifted memberships, and more. You might ask yourself, well, what does that mean? Well, now on the channel, there is an extra tab when you go to the homepage of my channel that is labeled membership. When you get to the homepage of my channel, Terminator on YT, you will now see that there is a membership tab that you can click on to interact with. When you click on this tab, it's going to give you a When you click on this tab, it's going to give you a whole bunch of different options to look at and what being a member means to the YouTube community and myself. A YouTube member is a paid monthly subscription that you pay to myself in order to unlock exclusive perks, badges, emotes, and more on the stream. In the first section here, you can see the new member badges. Right under it, you can see the custom emotes that you can use in the live chat and live streams. And underneath of that are the perks and a little welcome message for you, my new members. Now, the main purpose of this video is to show you guys, my community, how to opt in to receive gifted members during the live stream. A gifted member is when someone who is already a paid member of the community is willing to donate during a live stream another membership or however many memberships they feel like to a member of the community that is not already a paid member. First, real quick, let's talk about the ways that help you boost your chances of getting a gifted member while on the live stream. There are a few ways that you're going to be able to help boost your chances to get a gifted membership, and that is watch time on streams, watch time on videos, watch time on shorts, liking, interacting, or commenting on all of those videos, as well as liking, commenting, and chatting on the live streams as well. Now I'm going to show you guys how to opt in and the few different methods there are, so that way you can get a gifted membership on my YouTube channel. So this is the first way you can opt in to receiving a gifted membership while on the live stream. When looking on my page, it does not matter what tab you are on. You don't need to be on the membership page. You can simply be on the home page. You will see this join button. You click this. Now let's get into the first method of how to opt in to receive these gifted memberships while on my live stream. It does not matter what tab you're on my channel. As long as you're somewhere on my channel, you can find the join button. The join button is right here under my banner. It's going to be labeled join. You would simply just click join. And then in the top right hand corner, there are three little dots. You're going to click those three little dots. And then the bottom option is called gift settings. You're going to click gift settings. And then you're going to see this pop up, allowing gifts. So what you're going to do is click this little slide tab and your gifts will be on and your changes will be saved automatically to YouTube once you exit out. Now, a couple quick things to go over. When you are a gifted member, it is important to know that this is a 1 month. There is no way to donate more than 1 month at a time. So once you received your gifted member, it is a 1 month gifted membership that gives you access to emotes, perks, badges, and every other kind of exclusive that comes with being the YouTube member. Now, at the end of the month, all those perks will be taken away unless in the future you do get gifted another gifted member by someone of the channel. It's also important to know that any time during this month, you can choose to be a paid member of the YouTube channel, and it will not start the billing cycle until the very next month. While you're in the YouTube live stream, if you are selected as one of those... I just looked my microphone. Now, while in the YouTube live stream, if you are selected to receive a gifted membership by a member of the community, a few things will happen. First, a blue notification rectangle will pop up reminding you and alerting you that you just received a YouTube gifted member. But all is okay if you miss that message. All you have to do if you miss that message, but you see it in the live chat that you did receive the gifted member, but you did not act on it, all you have to do is go to your email and the notification will also be sent to your email for you to take the action and accept the gifted member. There is also another way to opt in from the gifted members that is not on my page. When you're watching my YouTube live stream, if you see someone gift members to the community, you'll see it in the top box notification activity feed that so-and-so gifted members. You'll also see it pop up in the chat, so-or-so gifted so many members. So if you have not opted in from the first way I showed you, this is your second way to opt in. You would simply just click on that notification And another tool will pop up that will allow you right there to click access live gifts. And it will allow you to receive the gifted memberships while on live without having to do that first So if you did not do it that first way, this is your second way to allow yourself to opt in to receive the gifted members. Now, an important reminder, this is only available for desktop. And what I mean by that is you are only allowed to change these settings to opt in to receive the gifted membership from a desktop, laptop, or I believe a web browser on your iPad. This is currently not available on mobile or the YouTube app as of yet, but they are working on allowing this in the future. That does it for this video, guys. I'm gonna have this pinned to my page. That way all new subscribers, members, or just new viewers to the channel who are just scrolling by see this video. And I hope it just helps you not only on my page, but also everyone else's page, because this is something that is not common knowledge and something I too had to do research on to help you guys be able to figure this out. That's the end of the video, guys. I know this is gonna be a long journey and I'm so excited to be here with you guys every step of the way. I hope this video helped you guys. If not, please leave a comment down below and ask me any kind of questions. I will do my best to answer them or research the answers so that way we can get to the understanding of anything that you might have misunderstood or just didn't understand during the video. And one more thing, guys, as always, have a great day.